Good morning, everyone. Today is Tuesday, April 21st. I swear these days are just flying by. It's crazy. I miss you all so much, so much. I think about you all every single day, and I hope you're doing well. Please make sure you're keeping in contact with me through chat, or you can ask if I want to do a video chat. I really love hearing from you guys since we're not able to see each other every day in person. All right, so today the schedule is pretty simple. You are going to you have a RAS Kids assignment you are going to complete, and then you need to do your Lexia units for reading, that's all. And then the reason why I wanted to do a show you guys my screen, is because I added some things onto Clever. So this is very important. Please make sure you are paying attention to what I'm about to say. Okay, so when you go onto your Clever and you click M. Leewald's page. Right here it has a little owl on it and it's orange in the background. I added Freckle. Freckle is the math program that I had you guys sign up for yesterday. So if you haven't done that yet, please go do that. I'm not sure if you can sign up through Clever. You guys will have to let me know. But most of you should have already signed up yesterday. So from now on, to get onto Freckle, you can go through Clever, click M. Leewald's page. Super important because it's not going to be on the first page. You have to click M. Leewald's page. And then here's your extra math. Here's Freckle. You can click that and it'll take you to the Freckle page. And then I also figured out that I can add Go Noodle to this. Now, I don't know if you guys are going to be able to choose your own Go Noodles. I can't see from your computer since I'm not a student. But let me know if you try it today. Let me know if it works, and let me know if it doesn't work. I'll take it off if it doesn't work. So I wanted to get on here to show you guys that. Make sure you're clicking this page. And then also for Lexia, you get Lexia through Clever also. If Lexia isn't working or it's shutting down or doing something weird, I talked to Mrs. Frensos and she said that you need to completely X out of your Lexia and then re-log in. So that should reboot the system. There's just a lot of students on at this time, so that's probably why it's not working sometimes. And then also, for those of you who ask where the RAS Kids assignments are, you are going to just scroll all the way down your Clever. It says More Apps, and Learning A to Z right here. Learning A to Z is the same as RAS Kids. You'll click that, and then under your messages, it'll have a little notification. It'll be red with a little 1 in it, and that is your assignment for the day. So that is how you get pretty much all of your assignments are on Clever. So this is RAS Kids, Newsela. You don't have Newsela today. And then there's the Lexia, Freckle, and Go Noodle. So I just wanted to get on here and tell you guys that. Also, Typing Club is just fun for you guys to practice your typing. You guys are actually getting really good at typing, so you should be really proud of yourselves. And then I know the social studies looks like a lot when you are reading this, but this is really just to help you with the sign in with the username and password. And then you're just going to click on this and just have fun with it. You can choose what you want to learn about. And then I know you guys love to make Google Slides and Google Docs and add pictures and stuff. So I know that looks like a lot, but it's really not. And I want you guys to have fun with that. So this is your schedule for today. I hope you guys have a great day. I miss you. Let me know if you have any questions and have fun with it. All right. Goodbye.